Hello and welcome to our presentation. Thanks for joining us. In this presentation, we're going to discuss the benefits, the features, and the action plan you should take to have success with this program. But before we do that, let's take a look at the website. Now, I'm not going to spend a lot of time on the website. If you're here watching this video, you already have access to it. And you can see that it's a very simple, but clean looking and very, very powerful program that we have here. So you can actually start your own digital franchise business. Okay, so we all understand the franchise model. It's been used repeatedly to earn money for people, and you have an opportunity to own your own digital franchise business. This program can actually turn your computer into a virtual ATM that can pay you money 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for the rest of your life. Now, you're going to be able to get $10 commissions and receive $20 and $30 royalties. So when your franchisees get paid, you get paid also. Okay, so this is not an affiliate program. We pay member to member. You can earn pay on 3 levels. You get 100 business ebooks, and you can advertise your own business, and this is a global opportunity. So this is a video with a picture of the income calculator, and you can use this when you join. This calculator is located in the back office. Now, as people look at the website, one of the really unique things is that people get to see your business, right? One of the businesses that you're advertising before they join. Okay, so they also get your contact information, and you're able to advertise one of your businesses right on the front of the website. Okay, and other franchisees also get to advertise their business opportunity on the front of the website. So this is really unique in that you don't have to join or pay anything to be able to see other people's business opportunities, but we help each other because as each franchisee attracts traffic to their website, they're also given exposure to other people that are on the front of the website. Okay, so one person advertises, but 2 other people are also exposed to that traffic. Okay, and this is our Money All Day pack, our Mad Pack, and everyone gets this when they join the opportunity. Now, we are really committed to everyone having success this year. So whether you join our program or not, I want you to understand that the way you make money online is with consistency. Okay? Now, we really hope that you choose our program to learn and use consistency with, but that is the key to making money online. Okay? This is another key. In order to make money online, you're going to need to choose a program that you can afford. A lot of times it's not the program that doesn't work, but you can't afford a monthly commitment, right? So when you have a program that has a monthly commitment, sometimes people are less patient. You also need to pick a program that matches your available time, right? If it requires you to do an hour or 2 hours a week or a day or whatever, you have to have that time commitment, right? This program takes very, very little time, and I'm going to show you that in a moment. You also need to select a program that matches your skill level, okay? Sometimes programs require more than the skill level that the person has. And let's face it, if you can't promote it, you can't make money with it. Now, these are some of the benefits of the program. This is a low one-time cost of $70. So there's no monthly commitment. It's a one low-time cost of $70. And if you're considering this program, you need to get in now before the price goes up. because as the price goes up, you'll be able to make more money, but you won't have to pay any more money beyond the $70. This is also a global program. You join, you put your payment processors in, and you're good to go. This program also has tremendous leverage. You get paid on 3 levels, and you can go as wide as you want. You also get paid as you build your team with this program. So the payments that you receive, you can use to fund your advertising budget so that you can spread your promotions. This is also a digital business, so there are no products to deliver. This program is simple to use and also simple to promote. Okay, you can work from your phone, not from home. Now, these are some of the features. You get to promote your other businesses with this opportunity. So this opportunity allows you to make money, and you can also promote your other businesses with this opportunity. Okay, this program also allows you to receive OTP, other people's traffic, to your business opportunity, and you get a Facebook post and ad generator. Okay, we're going to talk more about that in a moment. And remember that this is not only a business, but it's also a funnel that you can use to promote your other businesses. Now, everyone gets the money all day, or the Mad Pack, all right? And this is a very, very powerful tool to use because it comes with the Facebook post generator and also the ad generator. And the 100-day challenge is something that everyone should take because it's going to help to keep you and your team focused and consistent. Now, this is a sample of one of the ads that the Facebook post generator produces. Okay, so as you can see, it's well written and very eye-catching with the emojis, and it's simple. All right, you click on the Facebook post generator, it generates this post, you copy it, you paste it to your Facebook page, and you're on with your day. And now throughout the day or at the end of the day, you can respond to the people that request info. Okay, so it's very simple, very powerful, and very duplicatable. Now, this is your 4-step action plan to have success with this program. Okay, create your post or your ad, copy and paste it, and respond with the response direct message that's in the back office. Okay, follow up with those that requested information and repeat the process. Okay, very simple. Now, when you join, this is what happens, right? So you join, you pay $70 one time. So Steve is your sponsor, right? Steve is in first position, level 1. So you're going to pay Steve a $10 commission. You're going to pay Jeff a $20 royalty. You're going to pay David a $30 royalty, and you're going to pay a $10 admin fee to admin. All right, so that's the $70. Okay, when you do that, you get your franchise page, your website page. So that puts you in the first position. Okay, now you're posting on Facebook and you attract Bob. So Bob is going to pay $70 like you did, right? So Bob pays you a $10 commission. Bob pays Steve a $20 royalty. And Bob also pays a $30 royalty to Jeff and a $10 admin fee for his website to admin. Okay? Bob comes aboard, he starts promoting, and he attracts Gary. Gary does the same thing that everyone else did. Gary pays Bob a $10 commission. Gary pays you a $20 royalty. Gary also pays Steve a $30 royalty, and Gary pays admin a $10 admin fee for his website. Gary joins the team, he starts promoting, he attracts Susan. Susan does what everyone else did. Susan pays Gary a $10 commission. Susan pays Bob a $20 royalty, and Susan now pays you, since you're in level 3, a $30 royalty. Susan also pays a $10 admin fee for her website. So as you can see, as people join either your page or other people's pages, right, you continue to get more and more royalties. You go from level 2 to level 3. Now, let's take a look for a moment at the calculator to see how powerful this program is. Okay guys, let's take a quick look at the calculator. I'm not going to spend a lot of time on this because the calculator is located in everyone's back office, and once you join, you have access to it and you can play around with the numbers. But let's say you're posting consistently, which is all anyone has to do, right? Just post consistently. You can post on your Facebook page. You can also post in groups. And if you post 3 times a day, right, you're going to get some type of response. So let's say you're posting and you get 5 responses, right? And your team does the same thing. They post consistently. And let's say everyone gets 5 responses. Well, when you sell 5 franchises, what that does is it puts you on level 2, where you're going to receive $20 commissions. So when those 5 people get 5 people, you're going to be on 25 websites in level 2 positions where you're going to receive $20 royalties. When those 25 people do the same, what that's going to do is it's going to push you to level 3, where you're going to be on 125 websites and you're going to be receiving $30 royalties. So you can look to the right to see what those totals look like. Okay, but this is the power of this program. You receive royalties for selling franchises, and you end up on more websites where more people see your business opportunity that you're posting, right? So you get traffic to your business opportunity, and you also receive royalties from the sales of your franchisees. Let's pump those numbers up a little bit. Let's look at what 10 would look like. Okay, so 10 who get 10 who get 10. On level 2, you end up on 100 websites where you're receiving $20 commissions. On level 3, you end up on 1,000 websites where you're receiving $30 royalties. Okay, so this can happen, sales can happen when you have a large team, monthly, daily, weekly, right? There's no telling the possibilities of what can happen when everyone else is out promoting their own websites and their own web opportunities. Let's take a look at one more set of numbers. Okay, so you're continually posting, you get 20, who get 20, who get 20. Wow, right? 400 websites you'll be on level 2, and you'll be on 8,000 websites on level 3. Okay, so this is the power of the leverage of the program. You can go as wide as you would like to go. So remember, this is how you make money online with consistency. And we think that our program makes it easy to be consistent. Okay? So, this is your 2025 financial success plan. You want to join this program for a one-time $70, no monthly commitment. Okay, $70 one time. And remember, when you join now, you make more money later when the price increases. You also just want to join, put your payment processors in the back office, and then start using the Facebook post and ad generator, and you are off to the races. So that's the end of our presentation. We want to wish you the best in 2025, and may your year be filled with abundance. Thank you once again.